One thing's for certain, when you're sitting in your race car in the staging lanes, it's usually in the middle of summer. And in Indiana, especially here in Indiana, it's hot in the summertime. And then you got your helmet on, and you got your jacket, and you're buckled in. Um, it's hot. And you don't have time to be taking it off and on all the time. So I present to you my quick and easy solution for a little relief.
Racecar fan install.
My name is Scott Robinson, and I approve of this message.
The fan was extremely dirty and required a good cleaning, so I got the window cleaner out and got to work.
A good friend of mine gave me this fan for free, and I just rewired the end of it to plug into my car. And as I'll show you here, I have a switch on the dashboard, especially for that fan. I can turn it off and on whenever I want, as long as the key is on.
I'm going to mount the fan on the roll cage, and I have wiring already in the car and ready to go, as circled right here. If you can hear me over my noisy scavenge pump for the turbo, the fan is now plugged in and running.
Thanks for watching this extremely short little video, but now it's time to get out there and have some fun!